Today we are testing the battery of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active to its full potential and full feature. Some say the watch can reach up to 48 hours, but with our experience we only got 30 to 36 hours. So let's try to turn on everything and see how many hours we will get from this watch. This may not be a practical setting, but we will test it how much this watch can give. So first we have to turn on the brightness settings to its full brightness at 10. Then turn on the watch always on feature. And let's turn on also the location settings or enable the GPS settings. And also let's turn on the Wi-Fi. The watch will also be paired to the smartphone for notifications. We will also keep the stress sensor to measure stress level continuously as always, and also we will track the heart rate all the time. So we're going to charge the watch to 100% and then we'll wear the watch just like a normal day should go, and we will see how much battery life we will have with all these features turned on. I will give you an update from time to time and see how much battery we will lose with this kind of settings. I had a full charge since 1 p.m. and 52 minutes later I just arrived at the mall and the watch is still at 100%. So I'll see what I can do here and we will update you after a few hours. So it has been 2 hours and a half and we are down by 5%. We are still connected to our phone and Wi-Fi and getting some new notifications. I walked about 2,817 steps already and we are at 95%. So let's keep moving and we'll be back after a few hours. It is now 5:22 p.m. and I was strolling around the mall and my feet is starting to hurt. And we are now down by 11% after 2 hours and a half. Walked about 6,058 steps and the watch is at 89%. I'll pick up some stuff before I head home and update you later. So before I head home, it's already 6:33 in the evening and the watch is at 84%. It's doing good so far. After 5 hours, it is down by 16% only. Alright, so I was busy when I got home and I was not able to get an update. But before I doze off for the day, the watch is now at 62%. It's already 12 midnight right now, and I did not turn on the sleep mode, so we will get most of the functions and see how much battery we'll have in the morning. Alright, I will give you an update first thing in the morning when I wake up, and we'll see how much battery we have. Alright, so stay tuned. So in the morning we got 48% left of the battery. So far it's doing great and I guess this will still get through a day. I'll keep myself busy and update you guys later. Okay, so far after 3 hours we are down by 8% and we only have 30% left of the battery and we are almost half of the day. We'll see how much it can still power up the watch. I will be going on a run later and see how much we will still have left. Okay, so we are off for a run and we only have 6% of the battery. After 5 hours passed, we will see if I can finish this run and we'll update you when I'm done. So I'm done with my run, and after an hour and a half, we are down at the last percent of the battery. I did not turn on the GPS during the run. This is just under a normal watch settings. So we have a percent of battery, and let's see how many more time it has left to power the watch. And I'll update you guys in a minute. After an hour, the watch finally died at exactly 6:07 in the evening. So in conclusion, the watch stayed up for 29 hours with all the sensors turned on and all connectivity turned on and all the features are turned on. Like I said, this may not be a typical settings of usage, but at least we found out how much the watch can stand while all features are in use. So far, 29 hours is good enough, but I guess this will last longer if you had other settings turned down as per your preference usage of the watch. Tomorrow we will test the watch with the GPS is turned on and we will go on a bike ride and see how much the battery of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active can stand while the GPS is turned on and used to track our activities. So I charged the watch to a full battery and at 6 in the morning I started my ride. We will test how much battery does a full straight use of the watch while the GPS is turned on for a little longer than run. So far, after almost an hour, I stopped for water and so far we are at 90% and we have reached 5.32 miles. So let's move on and we will update you later. So after 2 hours and a half, I finally got back and finished my ride. I had some few stops to take photos of the scenery. So it's already 8:26 in the morning and after 2 hours and a half of GPS tracking, we are down to 67%. If we continue to track with GPS, I guess the watch will approximately be out of battery after 2 to 3 hours. The battery of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active can survive a half marathon in a 3 to 4 hour run. But I guess this is not enough battery for a full marathon runner or for a triathlon athlete. So there you go, the Samsung Galaxy Watch can last up to 4 to 5 hours of full straight GPS tracking. I guess that will answer our question. If you find our information valuable and useful, do subscribe to Smartwatch Authority YouTube channel and help us by giving this video a like and share this video to your friends. At Smartwatch Authority, we review and troubleshoot smartwatches. Let us know in the comments if you need help or troubleshooting with your smartwatch, and let us know which smartwatch you would like us to review next. So that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.